Very good morning, 9th class students. Our running topic is statistics. From that, today I am going to explain some important problems from 9.2 exercise. Listen well. The mean weight of 3 students. Here how many students are there? 3 students. 3 students are, one is Ranga. So from the 3 students, one person is Ranga and Rahim and Reshma. So there are 3 students, that Ranga, Rahim and also Reshma. So from that, what is the weight of Ranga? Is equal to 46 kgs. Weight of the Ranga is 46 kgs. Rahim and Reshma both are have the equal weight. Let weight of Rahim is equal to weight of Reshma. I am taking as x kgs. So from that, the weight of the Rahim and also weight of the Reshma, both weights are equal. I am taking the equal weight as x. What is the mean here? Mean weight of the 3 students is equal to 40. What is the mean formula? Sum of the observations. Sum of observations by number of observations is equal to 40. So there are 3 students who are there, Ranga and Rahim and also Reshma. So from the 3 students, what is the weight of the Ranga? 46 kgs. So remaining 2 students, it means Rahim and Reshma both have the equal weight, same weights. I am taking the equal weight as x kgs. What is the mean weight of the 3 students? 40 kg. What is the formula to find mean? Sum of the observations by number of the observations. Sum of the observations means 46 plus x by 3 is equal to 14. How much it is? 46 plus 2x is equal to 40 into 3. So 46 plus 2x is equal to 120. Then 2x is equal to 120 minus 46. Now we have to subtract 46 minus 1 from 120. What you will get here? 74. 2x is equal to 74. Then x is equal to 74 by 2. 2 3s are 2 7s are. X is equal to 37. It means weight of Reshma and Rahim is 37 kgs. Weight of Rahim is equal to 37 kgs. There are 4 unknown numbers are there. How many unknown numbers? 4 unknown numbers. Let required numbers. Let required numbers. I am taking the required numbers as x1, x2, x3, x4. There are 4 unknown numbers. I am taking the unknown numbers as x1, x2 and x3 and x4. So from that, one number is 2. So what is the x1 is equal to 2. So from the 4 numbers, one number is 2. That is nothing but x1 is equal to 2. Now you have to find the value of x2 and also x3 and also x4. The mean of first 2 numbers. Mean of first 2 numbers. mean of first two numbers is equal to how much? 4. What is the formula to find mean? Sum of the observations by number of the observations. Mean of first two numbers means x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 4. x1 plus x2 is equal to 2 into 4. What is the value of the x1 here? 2. 2 plus x2 is equal to 8. Then x2 is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. What is the value of the x2 here? 6. Then after mean of first three numbers. So mean of first three numbers. Mean of first three numbers is equal to 9. What is the formula of the mean? Sum of the observations by number of the observations. It means x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 9. What about x1? 2 plus x2 value is 6 plus x3 is equal to 9 into 3. 8 plus x3 is equal to 27. Then after x3 is equal to 27 minus 8 is equal to 19. What is the value of the x3 here? x3 is equal to 19. Still I need the value of x1. Sorry, x4. Next, mean of all four numbers is equal to 15. Mean of all four numbers is equal to 15. It means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4 is equal to 15. x1 means 2 plus 6 plus 19 plus x4 is equal to 15 into 4. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. So 27 plus x4 is equal to 60. Then after x4 is equal to 60 minus 27. So what is the mean of the all four numbers? Then we can write x4 is equal to 33. So required numbers x1 is equal to 2. x2 is equal to 6, x3 is equal to 19 and x4 is equal to 33. So these are the required numbers. The median of following observations arranged in ascending order. So already the observations are arranged in ascending order. What is the mean of the median of the observations? 15. So here mean of the following observations is 15 and that observations already arranged in ascending order. What are the observations here? 10, 12, 14, x minus 3, x, x plus 2, 25. See here ascending order. 10, 12, 14, x minus 3, x plus 2, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many observations are there here? 7. So n is equal to 7. 7 is an which number? Odd number. 7 is an odd number. What is the median? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. It means 7 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4th term. What is the median here? 4th term is the median. What is the median value here? 15. So 15 is equal. What is the 4th term? 1, 2, 3, 4. X minus 3. 15 plus 3 is equal to x. So finally, what is the value of the x? X is equal to 18. Find mean, median and mode of the following. Marks obtained, number of students. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 50. 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 3, 1, 6, 8. You have to find the mean and median and mode of this table. Then after find the median of 5, 3, 1, minus 4, 6, 7, 0.